masculine yet feminine, an opera aficionado, yet a rock lover. My name is Freddie Mercury, and I'm one of the greatest performers in the history of rock music. I was born in 1946 in Zanzibar. My Parsi parents fled the revolution there and found refuge in England. Growing up, I knew I was destined to be a rock star. I had a superb vocal range, and I owed it to a very particular condition. I was born with an extra set of teeth, 4 incisors to be precise. As an aspiring singer, it was hard to break into the world of rock. But I have to thank my lucky stars that I ended up meeting the right musicians. With them, I formed a band that I proudly called Queen. Yes, I admit it was an unusual name, but it represented me and every aspect of my stage performance, regal, flamboyant, and outlandish. I pushed the boundaries of gender norms on stage with my leotards, tight shorts, and leather pants. I loved to wear makeup and engage in theatrical spectacles where I promised audiences I'd rock them and they'd go wild and cheer and clap along. Love is a crazy little thing, they say, but I didn't care. I just wanted somebody to love, and I found a good girl to marry. We were briefly engaged, and she remains the love of my life, even after the breakup. I hid my sexual orientation from the homophobic world around me, but I couldn't hide it from her. She rewarded my honesty with her unconditional loyalty. I continued to lead Queen with ever-growing success. I didn't hesitate to enlist the band in the Live Aid concert when I was told it was for a humanitarian cause. Today, that performance is rated as the best in the history of rock music. This was the best of times. Then my whole world collapsed when I tested HIV positive. I was in denial and refused to tell my fans. The show must go on, so I suffered alone. Eventually I told my partner and my bandmates, and they supported me. I finally relented and informed the world about my condition to increase public awareness of AIDS. Is this the real life? Or is this just fantasy? Whatever the answer may be, the world will remember me as a man of great talent, an avant-garde performer, a fervent believer in humanity, and an LGBTQ icon. I am Freddie Mercury, and this is my little tale.